In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change list name in AWeber. If you've been building campaigns for a while, you know how quickly lists can multiply. A clear, accurate list name helps you stay organized, avoid sending to the wrong audience, and keep your reporting tidy. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it with a few helpful tips along the way. First, head to List Options in your AWeber dashboard. This is where AWeber groups key controls for each list. If you're working on desktop, you'll typically find it in the left or top navigation, depending on your layout. On mobile, it may be tucked into a menu. The important thing is that you're in the account and list you want to manage before you move forward, so you're editing the correct place. Next, open List Settings from within List Options. This section houses the foundational details for the list, things like the list name, descriptions, and other configuration fields. Think of it as the control panel for how your list is identified inside your account, and in some cases, how it appears to subscribers in specific messages or pages. Now edit your list name. Look for the field labeled List Name, click into it, and type your new name. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with your naming style. For example, include the audience, the product or topic, and if useful, a lifecycle or region tag. Avoid special characters that could cause confusion and double-check spelling so it's easy to scan later. This change won't affect your existing subscribers or your messages themselves. It simply changes how the list is identified and organized. Depending on your configuration, the name may also appear in certain subscriber-facing areas, so choose something professional and clear. After typing your new name, apply the change by saving your settings if prompted. AWeber may display a Save or Save Settings button on the page. Once saved, you should see the updated name reflected back in your dashboard. If you manage multiple lists, take a moment to confirm you're viewing the right one and that it appears everywhere you expect within your account. A quick best practice: define a simple naming convention you can reuse, such as brand, audience, purpose. This will save you time later and reduce mistakes when you're selecting lists for broadcasts, automations, or reports. If you use third-party tools that display your list name, it's a good idea to glance at those connections to ensure everything reads the way you intend. That's it. Go to List Options, click List Settings, and edit your list name. Clean, fast, and organized.